is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're in India's largest microbrewery, Iron Hill. I have the Sin City cider beer, I have the Afterlife ale beer, I have Kohli chips, and I have the chicken sliders with me. This looks really nice. It looks like the best thing you've ever seen. You know, 6 miniature burgers. I'm gonna start with the Sin City cider. This is like the best beer I've ever had. I've obviously had this before. I'm gonna have it again. I already rated a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna have it again just to confirm that rating. This remains the best thing that I've ever put in my mouth. I still give it a 10 out of 10. This is the best beer I've ever had. I'm gonna go to the Afterlife ale. This is a stout version of beer. It's a little darker beer. It's not as nice and, you know, refreshing as the Sin City cider, but it is pretty nice. It's like a beer, you know. This is something you'd like if you like a stout. I give this a 9 out of 10. I like stouts, but I don't like them as much as I like the ciders. I just got the onion ring, which is like also beautiful here. I swear to God, it's like the best onion rings you'll ever have. So I think I'm gonna start off with an onion ring. I'm gonna dip them in the ranch or the mayonnaise. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna find out with you. This has to be the most flavorful onion rings I've ever had. 9.5 on 10. Now I'm going to the Kohli chips. This is basically chicken chips, so it's the best thing to have with beer. Onion rings, sliders and Kohli chips is the best thing you can have with a cider beer or any type of beer. Chicken chips, I give this a 9.2 on 10. I like the onion rings a little better, but this is pretty nice. So I'm gonna have a slider now. It's a nice cute slider. I've had these before. I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna have another bite. A 9.7 out of 10 is the only worth rating for the slider. It's beautiful. The beer, the chicken slider, this is all you need when you come to Iron Hill, and this is like a must come to place. I've come here at least 100 times when I've been in Bangalore. You have to come here at least once. So we also ordered testers. This is the season finale. This is Lost Lager, and this is Cinnamon Stout. So this is basically a mango infused beer, the season finale. So I'm going to take the first sip. Pretty nice. I give it a 9.4 on 10. It's pretty average. This is the Lost Lager. It's pretty similar to this, but without the mango infusion. 9.2 on 10. And Cinnamon Stout, for anybody who likes stout, to all the stout lovers, you're gonna fucking absolutely love this. 8.5 on 10.